Welcome to Choice Champions. The best wind chime kits is probably one of the most delightful ways to bring a touch of personalized tranquility and soothing melodies into your home or garden, offering a creative escape for adults seeking a mindful and rewarding crafting experience that results in a beautiful, functional piece of art. Number 5. Butterfly Aluminum Tube Wind Chimes. Experience the beauty of this purely handmade wind chime, featuring a large butterfly at the top surrounded by smaller butterflies and bells. It's elegantly crafted with durable aluminum tubes and a brass cap. Listen to the pleasant, natural melody created when the wind blows through these chimes. It brings a sense of peace, relaxation, and comfort to any space. Crafted from high-quality aluminum and durable nylon rope, this wind chime is waterproof, windproof, and rust-proof. Its lightweight design ensures it can be hung outdoors long-term without losing its beauty. Add an elegant touch to your patio, porch, garden, or yard with its beautiful rose gold color. It's the perfect size for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Symbolizing love, happiness, health, and remembrance, this makes a meaningful gift for any occasion. It's a thoughtful choice for birthdays, holidays, or as a memorial tribute. With the included silver S-shaped hook, you can easily hang this beautiful chime on your patio, balcony, or any spot you wish to enhance with its gentle sound and visual appeal. What we like. This wind chime features a unique handmade butterfly design with multiple small butterflies and bells. If you're looking for a charming and elegant addition to your garden or patio that offers a peaceful, natural melody, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate intricate details and a soothing outdoor atmosphere. What people say. The wind chime kit is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished wind chime has a beautiful and clear sound that is very relaxing. The materials included in the kit are of good quality and durable. Number 4. Hummingbird Wind Chimes 33 Tuned Melody. Experience the gentle and uplifting sounds of this 33-inch wind chime. It's precisely tuned to produce soft, melodic tones, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere in your space. This chime features a beautiful hummingbird design on its wind sail and sleek black matte aluminum tubes. It adds a stylish and artistic touch to any outdoor area. Crafted with high-quality aluminum tubes, corrosion-resistant strings, and a waterproof wooden top, it's built to withstand the elements for long-lasting beauty. This makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion, or a meaningful memorial tribute. It symbolizes love, peace, and remembrance, serving as a cherished keepsake. At 33 inches, it's the ideal size for your garden, porch, backyard, or even indoor spaces. It comes with an S-hook for effortless hanging anywhere you desire. What we like. This wind chime is precisely tuned to create soft, melodic tones, offering a peaceful and calming atmosphere. If you love gentle, uplifting sounds and appreciate a stylish, artistic touch with its hummingbird motif, this is ideal. Its durable, weather-resistant construction makes it perfect for long-lasting beauty in any outdoor space. What people say. The wind chime kit is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished wind chime has a beautiful and soothing sound. The materials included in the kit are of good quality and durable. Number 3. Solange and Capiz Shell Wind Chimes. Introducing the Solange and Capiz Shell Wind Chimes, a beautiful addition to your outdoor decor. These chimes bring elegance and charm to any space. Searching for the perfect gift for the woman who has everything? Our wind chimes are an ideal choice for moms, grandmas, and women of all ages. Experience the gentle, calming sound created by natural Capiz shells. They produce a delicate tone perfect for creating a peaceful ambience. Measuring 26 inches, these chimes feature a sturdy wood top and beautifully alternating square and circle Capiz shells. They are lightweight and elegant. Crafted with natural wood and shells, they are perfect for porches, patios, or balconies. For best longevity, avoid direct exposure to harsh weather. This wind chime is a unique and meaningful gift for any occasion, including Mother's Day, birthdays, housewarmings, and holidays. What we like. Crafted with natural Capiz shells, this wind chime produces a soft, delicate, and calming sound, perfect for quiet relaxation. If you prefer a gentle ambience over loud chimes and are looking for unique decor that enhances any porch or garden, this is an excellent option. It's particularly suited for those who appreciate natural materials and an elegant, understated charm. What people say. The Wind Chime Kit is easy to assemble, making it a fun and engaging activity. The finished wind chime produces a beautiful and soothing sound, perfect for relaxation. The kit includes all the necessary components, and the instructions are clear and concise. Number 2. 30 Black Aluminium Wind Chime. Introducing our 30-inch black aluminum wind chime, designed to bring beautiful melodies to your outdoor space. Its classic Zen design complements any garden or patio. Each of the 6 aluminum tubes is hand-tuned to a pentatonic scale, creating rich and full musical performances. Enjoy peaceful, relaxing sounds with every gentle breeze. Crafted with high-quality aluminum pipes and corrosion-resistant nylon cording, this chime is built to last. Its waterproof coating effectively resists wind and water damage. At 30 inches, it's the ideal size for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Hang it easily on your patio, garden, yard, or even indoors for a touch of tranquility. This memorial wind chime makes a perfect gift for any occasion, from Mother's Day to Christmas. Show your loved ones how much you care with this beautiful and enduring present. Featuring a stronger metal S-hook, hanging this decorative chime is effortless. Simply place it where the wind blows and let the soothing sounds fill your environment. What we like. This wind chime features hand-tuned aluminum tubes playing a pentatonic scale for superior musical performance and rich, full melodies. If you seek a classic Zen aesthetic and a relaxing sound that calms the mind and body, this is a great pick. Its durable, weather-resistant design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor decoration, offering a beautiful and lasting gift. What people say. The Wind Chime Kit is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The finished wind chime has a beautiful and clear sound that is very relaxing. The materials included in the kit are of good quality and durable. Number 1. 60 pieces wind chime tubes and string for DIY crafts. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to craft beautiful wind chimes. You'll receive 60 metal tubes in 5 different lengths, along with 100 yards of durable string. This ensures a unique sound and design for every chime. Crafted from oxidation-resistant aluminum alloy, these tubes maintain their shine and resist rust. The nylon string is strong and clear. The silver tubes catch the sunlight beautifully, creating a visually stunning piece. The transparent string complements the design perfectly. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, these parts can be used for wind chimes, sun catchers, or unique gifts. Let your imagination guide your next project. Engage in a relaxing and rewarding craft experience. These supplies are perfect for adults looking for a creative outlet. What we like. This is a bulk kit containing 60 wind chime tubes of various lengths and nylon string, made from durable aluminum alloy. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to create personalized wind chimes for yourself or as unique handmade gifts, this kit provides all the essential components. It's perfect for arts and crafts projects, allowing for complete creative freedom. What people say. The wind chime kit comes with pre-drilled holes, making assembly straightforward. The kit includes all necessary components for creating a beautiful wind chime. The finished wind chime produces a pleasant and soothing sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.